Hi, I'm Jason Higginbotham. I'm an optometrist from the UK, and I'm just going to have a look at the Occuity AX1 handheld optical biometer. So, just turn that on at the moment, ready to take some scans, and I'm just going to line that up now with the model eye, and should be able to take some readings pretty quickly. Wonderful. Very good. Fantastic. And this is a 21.5mm model eye, and that's a very good result. 21.5mm as an average. So absolutely superb and really easy to use. I'm absolutely blown away by it.